Philippines!
Hi guys, apparently I am going to record while my wife plays chauffeur for the day. Pull up to the mailbox and get whatever you put in there.
Seriously? I cannot reach anything.
Seriously? See, when you have short arms, you can't reach nothing. That's it. That's it.
Oh, what the heck is this?
I don't know, it's Amazon something. This is not the rail mail. Okay. Anyway, we're going, and where are we going? We're going to feed the cat. But the bright side is, we were on the last few days. My brother-in-law will come back into town on Saturday. So he can take over taking care of his cat and his mother, for that matter. So this is one of the last 2 days that I have to worry about the cat. Maybe Saturday morning I can worry about the cat, because his flight's supposed to come in at 12, which means he won't get there until like 2, maybe later. And that's a long time for the cat to wait. So but then after that, as of they'll both be home. Well, he'll be home and take care of the cat, and I will not. Anyway, so I don't know what much to say. We're gonna head over there, and then we have to hit a couple things because my wife is having some friends over for Saturday, so we need to make sure that we have proper food and drink for everybody, and we're properly prepared. We have a nice scenic view here. I'm going to turn this camera around. I know she don't want me to do that. She wants me to face it towards me, but you know what? Nobody wants to look at my face, really. So what we'll do is we'll look at everybody else, including her.
Don't be too close to me, please. Oh, they really did.
You want to look at her ear?
Yep.
Yep.
They really did fix the whole thing.
They did. Just makes it look smaller, though. It does give them privacy, which is kind of important. Really, how many mail trucks are in this neighborhood? Seriously.
It's hard to overtake, right?
No, just go. Pulling over for the mailboxes. Yes. Nobody really wants to see my face on, honestly.
Okay, now you can shut it up now.
Now she's bad, guys. So pay attention.
Mahulog na ha, mahulog.
And she's speeding. There's a sign flashing. It says, if this sign is flashing, you are speeding.
That means you're beautiful. You're beautiful.
No, bootyful means if you have a big butt. You're bootyful.
You're beautiful.
Your booty is full.
Hi, Miss Driver, guys. What can I tell you? It's like, drive me now, honey. I'm going over there, honey.
Right, that's what I said. Anyway, we will get back to you when we're doing something more interesting than just sitting here in the car acting like it.
You are the one, not me. Not me. Behind.
Talk to you later, guys.
Behind. Shopping na naman kami, guys. Hanap tayo ng broccoli. Oh, it's right here. Right here. So, andito na naman kami sa grocery, guys. Kasi, obviously, si Tammy gustong mag-grocery. Look, Han. It's your vlog, but you don't vlog.
Apparently, I am vlogging.
Grocery. Mira, what are you looking now?
Maraschino cherries.
Cherries?
Yeah.
Okay. The one that you put in the drink? Okay.
Is this it?
Hindi ko alam kung ano yung hinahanap nitong lalaking to ba. Kiloka. Sunod na lang tayo ng sunod, guys, para masaya yung buhay. Andito naman kami sa mga inom. Parang may inuman atang magaganap. Kasi po, andito kami dito sa mga drinks. Look. Parang airport lang ba? Pidging, Tammy Moy.
Yeah. These are like I found in the other place. See, they look kind of gray.
Yeah, this one is nicer.
because they
Yeah.
put this in dark glass. So.
Ito pala yung hinahanap ni Mr. Guys. Cherries. Maraschino? Maraschino? Whatever. Only one, Tommy, because... Tommy, one.
Two.
Be careful. Okay, that's it. Oh my God. No, don't do too much, honey. We don't have space. Ito yung binili niya, oh. Piña colada, guys. Look. Ay, ang dami naman, Han. This is frozen. It will be defrost when we get home.
But it's cooler in the car.
Yeah, but now we're gonna walk around.
Margaritas?
No, we're good. Ang init ng kalibutan, guys. Tika muna, guys, ha. Oh my God. Yung asawa ko, oh, tignan niya, oh. $100 oh. Asan ka maghanap niya, no? 100. Hindi ako nag-exaggerate sa init, guys, ha. Sobrang init talaga, grabe. Kaluka itong asawa ko. Ano tong binibili niya?
I bought 2 wines. I bought a Johnny Walker Double Black because I have not had that for forever.
And then you're just gonna like what? How much you spend over there?
100.
Oh my God. How much over here?
60. You took the receipt out of my pocket. You told me.
Give me the receipt. The receipt. Okay, guys. Andito na siya. Andito na kami sa bahay. Ang init. Grabe. How many wines you get?
2.
Tignan niyo.
This is the older ones. I'll bring the older one down.
Okay.
That only has a drop in it.
So, be careful. Be careful. Bumili siya ng scotch, guys. Tag $50. Look, I told him he doesn't deserve it. Look, I told him he doesn't deserve it. It's expensive.
Life's a bitch.
Pero guys, he deserved it. Guys, don't attack me. I know you will attack me with that word. Deserve man niya yan. Pero hard head kasi, sometimes he doesn't deserve.
There's only one little drip in there.
Okay. Ang mahal ng scotch. Uy, grabe. Almost $60 each bottle. Grabe yung mga tanim ko, guys, na mamatay. Grabe, namamatay talaga yung iba. Hindi talaga kinaya yung init. As in, hindi talaga. I think doble yung pagtubig ko. Dapat tubigin ko sila ng sobrang aga, like 5 o'clock. Kasi nakikita ko yun doon yung talong, oh. Patay. Yung gulay ko dahil sa init, parang hindi makasurvive. Yung iba, yung zucchini, yung isa na mamatay kahapon. And then ngayon, nakikita ko yung isa para siyang namamatay na din dahil sa sobrang init. 100 degree kanina. So, ngayon guys, lutuin na natin itong zucchini. At saka guys, meron pa tayong zucchini doon sa labas. So, I think kailangan ko na siya. At saka itong talong guys. At saka, I think kailangan ko ng bilhin. I-harvest yung dalawang zucchini kasi mabilis siyang tumubo. And also guys, alam niyo kung anong nangyayari ngayon sa sobrang init, pati yung mga gulay ko guys na apektuhan sa init guys, grabe. So ang bilis tumubo ng mga zucchini, ang bilis lumaki. So ang gagawin ko is lutuin natin ito with butter, garlic and onion. So yun. Masarap din ito yung parang dito sa air fryer ko na lang ito guys, i-coating ba, ilutuin natin sa air fryer, lagyan ng seasoning at saka kaunting oil doon, ganyan na lang. Meron pala tayong air fryer, nakalimutan ko. So nakalimutan ko yung air fryer, maayo lang na sa air fryer kapag bago, kapag mataod-taura na pala, yung parang nakalimutan mo na. So air fryer natin ito para masarap. So, i-season lang natin siya ng mga seasonin na masasarap po, di ba? Masasarap. So, yun. And, yun. Ito na siya. And, itong talong, din natin ito, lutuin din. O, di ba? Bakit naman hindi? Mag-iti man ito ba? Kapag ganito, anuhin lang natin ganito. Hiwain na. Kita ko sa inyo guys kung paano po ito lutuin guys sa air fryer guys. First time natin itong gawin air fryer na yung talong at saka zucchini. So yun. I-season lang natin yan and then air fryer. And yun, bites na yan. And Salt lang naman yung ilagay ninyo at saka paminta. So yon, at saka itong turmeric para sa likod ni Tami. Maganda kasi ito sa may mga sakit-sakit. And then ito ding paprika. Paprika pang paanghang. Ang sarap din yan. So yon, at sa garlic and herb roasted. Kahit ano-ano lang yung ilagay ninyo basta sa tingin nyo is tama at saka hindi siya overwhelming. Granulated onion din at saka granulated garlic. So yun lang yun naman ang mga nilalagay ko. Konting oil and then i-mix-mix nyo lang siya guys para equal yung mga nilalagay ninyo ma-coated. And then nilalagay ko siya dito kasi ano nga natin air fryer. Pero hindi ako nasayahan, parang ayun, nag-iba na naman yung utak ko. Nilagay ko na naman siya sa ibang lagayan. Sa air fryer frying siya, pero sa iba na naman. Tignan nyo tong asawa ko guys, kahit sobrang init. Busy pa rin. Halahan, may flower, han. It's gonna be damaged with that thing, oh. Oh. Why you have the brown one and the white one and... Ipakita ko nga sa inyo guys, yung mga namamatay dahil sa init. Ito siya, oh. Namatay siya dahil sa init, oh. Look, oh. Yung zucchini natin namamatay dahil sa init. Color key. Yung iba dito, buhay pa. Look, oh. Yun. Diba? Yung namatay. At itong sunflower ko, guys, kinakain pala niyo ng bubuyog itong mga ganito, no? Yung sunflower. Magaling din nga lang bubuyog kumain, no? Ganito pala sila kumakain ng mga sunflower. Anyway, guys, itong kamatis natin, tingnan nyo, so nag-yellow na yung dahon niya kasi nga dahil sa init, kahit tinutubig-tubigin ko siya dahil sa init nga, 'di ba? So, anyway, salamat guys. Anyway, yung zucchini na niluto natin, masarap siya, guys. Hindi masyadong luto. So, may pagka-crunchy. Anyway, but anyway, guys, bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Say bye-bye, love.
Bye guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye. See you tomorrow. And of course, my little boy is behind Dada, watching on top of the chair. And the girl is right here. Monkey man. Ay, ginoo ko. Anyway guys, see you tomorrow. Bye. Good night.